Hello and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really interesting shift happening right now in the green energy transition, and we're basing our journey entirely on the British Solar Pricing Assistant Career Guide. If you've ever wondered how you could get involved in renewable energy without necessarily, strapping on a tool belt, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to look at the realities, the day-to-day duties, and the surprisingly high-tech tools used in this very specific career path. Okay, let's dive into this. 60,000. I just want that to sink in for a second. That massive number represents the amount of people the UK solar industry is projected to employ by the year 2026. And get this, according to the data, this figure is set to double by 2030. We are looking at a rapidly expanding industry here that is constantly searching for new talent. It offers a tremendous amount of career stability as the whole nation shifts toward renewable energy. But when you hear about massive growth like that, it's pretty easy to make assumptions. So let's challenge that for a moment. When you think about jumping into the booming solar sector, do you automatically picture yourself getting up on a roof? For most of us, the very first image that pops into our heads is hard hats, high-vis jackets, and climbing up tall ladders in the unpredictable British weather. But actually, that is far from the whole picture. Section 1. The Solar Career Myth. Office desks, not hard hats. You see, the physical installation of the panels, the guys on the roof, that's literally just the final step of the process. Behind every single physical installation is an entire dedicated team of office-based professionals. We're going to completely shatter that myth right now. Joining the solar industry absolutely doesn't strictly mean climbing roofs in a hard hat. The reality for a solar pricing assistant is working comfortably right at an office desk. You are the crucial person making the commercial side tick, making sure the numbers actually add up, the quotes are accurate, and the business can deliver on its promises. Section 2. A day in the life, behind the installations. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that we're shifting our focus from the broad, industry-wide perspective right down to the granular, daily duties you'd actually experience on the job. Let's put you directly in the driver's seat for a second. Imagine your morning begins as the first line of review for incoming customer and survey information. From there, you're actively helping to prepare the actual solar PV and battery quotes. And crucially, you're updating the vital pricing spreadsheets, customer relationship management systems, and quoting software. You're basically the digital heartbeat of the entire operation. As your day builds, your responsibilities deepen. You'll be checking the product, labor, and installation assumptions just to prevent any costly mistakes down the line. You'll chase down any missing details before the pricing officially goes out to the customer. Plus, you'll meticulously track whether quotes are sent, revised, accepted, or lost, all while keeping the pricing files perfectly tidy and organized. Section 3. The honest truth. The repetitive versus the rewarding. Now, to truly understand if this career path is a good fit for you, we need an honest, totally unvarnished look at the realities of the job. Look, every job requires balance, right? Yes, you will definitely face some repetitive spreadsheet work. You'll probably have to update the same quote multiple times, chase down missing information, copy details between different systems, and play the waiting game with supplier responses. It can be a bit tedious at times, but on the flip side, the rewards are huge. You are directly helping to turn a customer's initial interest into a real physical solar job. You're deeply learning how complex pricing and products fit together, and if you're accurate and organized, you become genuinely useful, honestly indispensable, very, very quickly. Section 4. Your daily AI advantage. Working smarter every single day. Let's look at how modern technology is stepping in to eliminate so much of that boring, repetitive work we literally just talked about. So the crucial point is, AI in pricing is absolutely not just a gimmick or some flashy extra feature. It is one of the absolute biggest day-to-day productivity tools available to you. It's designed to make this job significantly easier and far, far more efficient. Think of it like your own personal secret weapon. Here's how AI acts as your daily advantage. It summarizes lengthy customer notes into a quick pricing brief, drafts clearer internal questions for the team, and instantly turns messy survey data into clean checklist. You'll even use it to rewrite highly technical quote notes into plainer English, create quick follow-up email drafts in seconds, and compare draft versions of pricing notes way faster than you could do manually. It's a total game changer. Section 5. Start your solar career. Your next steps. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly who this career path is designed for and how accessible this vital industry really is. If you're an organized, detail-focused person, this is for you. Whether you come from an office, admin, sales support, or really any customer-facing background, your existing skills translate perfectly. And I want to make this super clear. There is absolutely no electrical qualification needed to start on the pricing support path. None whatsoever. Taking that first step is incredibly straightforward. The LELAIL platform offers a voice-first interactive taster course, so you can literally try this out for yourself. All you have to do is speak to the LELAIL AI and say the exact phrase, "Start the Solar Pricing Assistant Taster Course." It really is that simple to begin. And once you've given that taster a go, the full interactive voice-first course, which, by the way, comes with a proper completion certificate to boost your CV, is waiting for you. It's available in over 100 languages right over at LELAIL.com. You've seen the massive growth coming to the UK solar industry, you understand the reality of the office-based role, and you've seen the incredible AI tools at your disposal. So, I'll leave you with this final question. Are you ready to step into the future of the UK solar industry today? Head over to LELAIL.com and find out. Thanks for joining me on this explainer.